Everyone keeps asking me about this Sriracha seasoning, so I finally decided to share the recipe. It is bold, spicy, and full of flavor, and the best part is how easy it is to make. Get the full list of ingredients and directions from the description. We're starting with 2 tablespoons of mild chili powder. This forms the base of the seasoning and gives it body without making it overly spicy. Next, 1 tablespoon of paprika. This adds color and a gentle warmth that rounds out the heat. Then I'm going with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, along with 2 teaspoons of onion powder. These two bring that savory, umami depth that makes the seasoning taste complete. To balance everything out, add 2 teaspoons of sugar. For heat, we're using 1½ teaspoons red chili flakes. You can always adjust this depending on how spicy you like it. Next comes 2 teaspoons of tomato powder. Do not skip this as it adds a subtle tang and richness that really pulls all the flavors together. Now sprinkle in 3/4 teaspoon of fine salt to enhance and bring out all the flavors. And finally, in goes 1/2 teaspoon of ground white pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. These add a gentle warmth and a little complexity without overpowering the blend. Now mix everything well using a spoon or a small whisk until fully combined. If you want a finer, more commercial-style texture, blend the seasoning briefly in a spice grinder or food processor. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves heat, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon for more new upcoming recipes. And here you go! Your homemade Sriracha seasoning is ready. This recipe makes about 1/2 cup of seasoning, perfect for sprinkling over fries, eggs, roasted vegetables, popcorn, noodles, or using as a dry rubs. In case you're left with any seasoning or making this ahead, just pop it in a tight-fitting glass container in a cool, dry place, and it'll stay fresh and flavorful for up to 6 months. And that's it for this recipe. If you give this Sriracha seasoning a try, let me know how you used it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.